Hey guys, I want to quickly show you all the locations of the shield parts on the new Dead of the Night Zombies map. So once you spawn in, you're going to be in that location. You can go to your right, come around to the west balcony, and you're going to see this piece here. As like all the other maps, every piece has 3 locations. So you can turn around if it's not there, head through the smoking room to the other end, down to the grand staircase, and there might be a piece right there. If it's not there, then you want to head to the music room and go to the other side of the balcony. This is going to be the east side, and it's going to be located right there next to the SOG wallby gun. The second piece is going to be located downstairs, so if you're standing directly in front of this statue, you can go to your left, make another left, go down this hallway, and then keep turning left. It will be in this chair right here. If it's not in that chair, just look to your right and go into the dining room, and it might be sitting up on this bar right there below that light. If it's not in there, turn around, go to your right. It might be sitting next to this column. For the third and final piece, this is the window piece. If you go back to the downstairs area in front of that statue, this time you want to go to your right. And make a right, head down this hallway, and then make another right, then go left, and then here you'll find 2 locations. One location is on this chair right here, obviously you can see it. Another location, if you turn to your left, is going to be in this bookshelf. If you don't see it there, you can turn to your left, head upstairs, and it should be sitting on a table. Once you have all 3 pieces, you can build it, and there's multiple buildable tables around the map. But the quickest one to get to is, say you're upstairs on the back side of that statue. All you gotta do is go to your left, go back into the smoking room, and there's a buildable table in here. And this is the same shield from Voyage of Despair called the Ballistic Shield. But I hope this helped you guys out, and we'll see you next video.
Thank you for watching Glitching Queen's video. Hoorah!